Rocky Lee special.
I'm telling you right now, you better be, pack your bags, you're out of here.
It doesn't hurt when he bites. Like, that's not what I'm worried about. And he
Get your dog.
Karma Leilani, you can't do that to Papa.
Stop fight! Stop fight! Stop! Stop! No! No! Listen.
If anyone out there is thinking about getting a Chihuahua, I would just like to say they are the sweetest, kindest dogs.
Move you to the bed. Okay.
I never heard. You're okay. What if I eat him? What if I eat him? I'm gonna eat